In this video, I'll be showing you how to transfer photos from iPhone to laptop. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Now, iTunes has been replaced by the Apple Devices application. So if you haven't got it, you can download it from the Microsoft Store. Just go to the top, type in Apple Devices, like so, and then you're going to see this application right here. Go ahead and download it. It is from Apple, of course. And what you want to go ahead and do is connect your iPhone to your PC via USB, and then go ahead and open up Apple Devices, and it's going to look something like this. And for documents, what you're going to do is click the files area or file sharing, and then what you can do is select an app like Pages, VLC, or Keynote, anything like that. And then for music or movies or videos, anything like that, click one of those tabs. So let's say I want to click movies, and right now it shows the Apple TV app is not installed. So I can, get movies like that, or I can go to photos. This is iPhone is using iCloud Photos. You can access everything, and to sync photos from this computer, turn off iCloud Photos. So just make sure you do that. Now you can also go onto movies on this device, and then what I can do is I can drag and drop anything. Let's say I want to drag and drop this. I can drag it onto the Apple Devices application if I wanted to as well. And yeah, just make sure everything is synced when you go ahead and do that, and then you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through, and you might find something you didn't know about yet.